Hey guys, my name is Costa, and in today's video I'm gonna try to use AI to recreate the Notion website entirely from scratch. So let's get started. To use the Chrome extension, you have to click on this import from web, and then this animation is gonna show up. You have to click on download our extension, and now here you can install your extension inside your browser. Now I already have installed it, that's why it says remove from Chrome. So I'm gonna close this tab and I'm gonna go back to the website that I want to copy, which is the notion.com. I really like this style, and yeah, today I'm gonna show you how to use this extension to copy it. So one thing that I want to add here, guys, is that if you copy any website from the internet, make sure you change it enough in order to not look like a copy. Now that is just a video where I show you how to use this tool. So again, you just need to make sure that you don't steal anyone else's work. So I'm gonna click on this extensions icon, and then I'm gonna select the web capture HTML. So next I'm gonna click on select element, and then as you can see we have some green border lines, which means actually that it is the element that we are gonna select. So if I hover on this button, I'm gonna select the button, and if I hover on this text, then I'm gonna select the text. And if you want to hover multiple elements at the same time, all you have to do is to hover between the elements. So you see there is a gap here. I'm hovering between the buttons, and now I'm selecting both of them. And let's say if I hover between these buttons and this element right here, then I'm gonna copy the entire section. So now I'm gonna click, and then I'm gonna click on copy component, go to magic path, and I'm gonna press Ctrl V to paste, and that's it. Now I'm gonna go back to Notion, and I'm gonna scroll down, and let's copy more of their stuff. So I'm gonna again select the extension, select element, and now let's see, there is a lot of cards here, so maybe we can copy all of them. Yes, I think it's possible. Copy it to clipboard, and then go back to magic path, create a new component. Let's move it to the side, and then paste inside the chat. Now I'm gonna go back to Notion, and I'm gonna also copy this pricing section right here, like this. Create a new chat, paste it inside. The first section is already finished, so let's take a look. I'm gonna open it in a new tab, and as you can see, it's basically the same like on notion.com, right? Let me actually put this next to this tab right here. So that is the magic path section, and that is the Notion section. There is literally no difference, right? So this looks very cool. Next, I'm gonna go back to Notion, and then let's copy this right here as well. Select element once again, copy, and create a new component. Paste it inside. Now let's go to this section, element, copy component, create a new component, and paste inside. Create again a new component, and let's create this section right here as well. Okay, paste inside, and I guess that is it. I'm not gonna copy the footer because there is quite a lot of sections, so yeah, I don't need the footer actually. Now let's see the second component right here. So let's open it in a new tab, but first let's close this one. This one is not perfect. As you can see here, there is some gap missing. I see that it is an animation, so maybe that is the reason. Let's see actually if we can maybe fix it. Okay, now I see here is some gap, but if it's wider, then it's no gap. So I don't know why. Let's click on edit and see, maybe we can fix it. Can we add any gap here? Maybe some top padding like 20. Okay, so I can add some padding. All right, so looks good. I'm gonna click on save, or first let's see the other cards. Okay, the other cards are looking good. I'm gonna click on save now, and let's move to the next component. Let's open it in a new tab. Let me close this one. So this one looks also very good. You can even increase the theme size. Also, if I check this boxes, it's gonna increase the pricing as well. Really nice. So this one looks great as well. Let's close it. Let's move back and see this one right here now. If everything is fine, yep, this one looks perfect as well. So let's check this one, which again has some nice illustrations, some nice cards as well. Everything, as you can see guys, it's almost pixel perfect. So now let's wait for the sixth component and then I'm gonna be back. Cool, so the last component is also finished. Now I see that there is some gap problems right here, which I don't really like. I see that this icon here is wrong. Maybe we can fix it, and if not, it's not a big issue. So I'm gonna click on edit, and let's zoom in a bit, and let's select this element, change the height to 48, and now looks much better. See that there is a small problem, which I don't know if I can fix it. Okay, so if I put this to fill, now looks much better, right? So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna click on save, and I'm gonna create a new component, and then I'm gonna type combine all these components and make a website. Let me fix this. And let's start by mentioning the components. I'm gonna add and then select first the hero section, then add the Notion. Okay, so we can't add more than 4 tags here, so I'm gonna go with these 4 sections first, and then maybe we can add them later. Okay, cool, so the website is finished. I'm gonna open it in a new tab to take a look. So far this looks like the Notion website. Now of course there is some sections missing because we couldn't add them, so I'm gonna try to add these 2 sections right here. So I'm gonna select the component and then again add these 2 sections to the bottom, and then let's try to see if it's possible to add more sections. So AI use cases, yes, and then the download app sections, and apparently it works. So let's wait to see the result. All right, and let's open it again, and let's scroll down, and voila guys, that is how it looks like. And also, if you wonder if you can publish this website, let's say you create your own website, you copied some sections from other websites, and you might want to publish this as your own. What you can do is go to code, and then you can copy the code here, or you can open it in Cursor, and with Cursor you can export it to GitHub maybe, and then Netlify, where you can host the website. I'm gonna make a tutorial about this in the next video. So thank you so much for watching guys, see you next time.